Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use macros in Microsoft Excel. A macro in Microsoft Excel is used to automate repetitive tasks by recording and running a sequence of actions. Open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Developer tab on the ribbon and select Record Macro. Enter a macro name of your choice and assign a shortcut key. I'm using Ctrl+M. Select the content in row 1, apply Mergent Center, fill it with a color of your choice. Select the content in row 2, fill it with a background color. Select the cells containing dates, and from the number format drop-down, choose your desired date format. Select the cells with sales amounts and apply a separator for better readability. Select all cells and apply borders. Once you're done with formatting, go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Every time you run this macro, your data will be formatted in the same way. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more productive content.